Summer's Bounty, a journey through summer foods and agriculture. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our series on learning English through the lens of seasonal changes. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the world of summer foods and agriculture. We'll explore the rich vocabulary related to summer crops, traditional foods, and farming practices. Let's dive right in. Summer is the time when nature is at its most generous, providing us with a colorful array of fruits and vegetables. We'll start with some basic vocabulary. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are quite popular. We also have stone fruits such as peaches, cherries, and plums. Let's not forget melons like watermelon and cantaloupe. In the vegetable aisle, you'll find fresh corn, juicy tomatoes, crisp cucumbers, and so much more. These words aren't just useful for shopping. They also enrich your daily conversations about food and cooking. Summer isn't just about fresh produce, it's also a season of vibrant dishes and refreshing drinks. Popular summer dishes include salads, grilled foods like barbecue chicken or hamburgers, and light pasta dishes. For drinks, there's nothing more refreshing than a glass of lemonade or iced tea on a hot summer day. And don't forget about smoothies, delicious drinks made by blending fruits, yogurt, and ice. Now, let's talk about the field of agriculture in summer. Farmers are quite busy in this season, working on tasks such as irrigation, watering the crops, weeding, removing unwanted plants, and harvesting, collecting mature crops. They also start the cultivation of fall crops. To cultivate means to prepare and use land for growing plants. And let's not forget about livestock farming. Farmers ensure that their animals have enough water and shade to stay cool in the heat. And there you have it. You now have a host of new English words and phrases under your belt related to summer foods and agriculture. Don't forget to practice these words and use them in your daily conversations. We hope you enjoyed this journey through the colorful world of summer. Stay tuned for our next lesson where we'll explore a new season and its associated vocabulary. Happy learning!